Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at Salhouse Broad. The sun is shining, I found some boats, so let's have a look and see what else is here. A lot of you will know here via boat, so obviously I'm on foot. So that's what I'm going to be showing you, the walk down to Salhouse Broad. After all the rain, it is a bit muddy in places, but generally it's not too bad at all. In August, Stephen Fry helped Salhouse Broad with their mindfulness walking trail. It was created by a charity that helps young people who have lost a sibling. He made audio recordings for the 1.5 mile walking route. Also at Salhouse Broad is canoeing, camping, a play park, a takeaway cafe, and of course boat moorings. So when you next visit here, do look for all the new information points that are dotted about. While I'm just making my way down to the Broad, I just want to quickly say something. I'd like to thank the people who have joined my memberships. You've all renewed for another month. I'm thrilled. Thank you so much for doing that. Very much appreciated. Thank you for sticking by me. Here at Salhouse is the most beautiful brand new boardwalk being installed, complete with a sitting area, and for a fee of £75 you can have one of these plaques made. All the money raised is going towards this wonderful boardwalk. From here there's lovely views down to the River Bure. This is as far as they've got so far. Doesn't look like there's much more to go actually. It's thought that they will remain here for about 20 years, the signs and the boardwalk, before it needs to be redone. This sign says that signal crayfish have made their home in the Norfolk Broads. The swan on the left has an orange ring tag on its leg. Now, you know, I've said in the past I like to get the numbers and send them through an email. And you get the details about the bird, or the duck, goose, swan. But try as I did, every time I focused on the ring, the swan would put its leg under the water. Never mind. I was lucky here because this was just one of those moments of being in the right place at the right time. I see they've got a new volunteer here. The blackbird's doing a spot of gardening for them. I don't know what you think, but I was rather impressed at how many boats I saw here today. This building is to do with the campsite here at Salhouse. If you know what these are, perhaps you could let me know. I know they're not for bikes because there's bike racks down where the moorings are. I hope you've enjoyed Salhouse as much as I did while I was here filming. That's just about it from me for today. I'll be back again on Friday with a new video for you. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.